Hello traders. In this video I will share trading results for 1 week using Expert Advisor's Grizzly Pro bots. This is part 2 of the discussion about Grizzly Bot Pro. If you are interested you can check out video part 1. There I have also shared this Expert Advisor for free. The details that I will discuss in this video are as follows. If you are a new viewer, you can subscribe to this channel and of course it's free. You will get a free Expert Advisor along with the reasons when I upload the video. Make sure you turn on notifications so you can find out every time I upload a video. One. Requirements for use. A little review about the requirements for using Grizzly Bot Pro Expert Advisors. This EA works only on the Euro to US dollar pair with the M15 time frame, with lots of 0.01 for $1,500 to $2,000. This Expert Advisor uses the averaging method. Yes, this method is sometimes not suitable for some people. 2. MQL5 Trading Results Report. The total gain we can read here is about 74%. However, these are not the full results, because there is a period that is not displayed. Growth information. We can see here. Trading starts in December 2021. And is still running today. Information that we can read from August 2022 to the present. For profit from August 2022 to date about 74%. Trading history. We see here that most trading transactions are opened with a fixed lot of 0.01. Only a few transactions are multiples of the lot. The average profit per 0.01 is 50 US cents. Statistical information. A total of 4,194 transactions. This is as of August 2022. Profit ratio 78%. Profit factor 1.89. Trades that are opened every week are about 72 transactions with an average holding time duration of 5 hours. And there has been a losing streak of up to 8 times with a loss of $210 US. As for the distribution of pairs, we can see here that only the Euro to US dollar pair is running. Information risk. The drawdown that has occurred is around $268 US, or around 9.55% of total equity. 3. Setting MT4. I will show you the MT4 terminal I use to run Grizzly Bot Pro. Okay, you can pay attention here. This is how it looks when Grizzly Bot Pro is running. I only run it on the Euro to US dollar pair with the M5 time frame. The preset that I use is the default preset. My trading starts from February 26, 2023. Here it reads from February 28th. There are 2 days of unread history. And when this video was made it had been running for 1 week. I use $1,000 for observation Grizzly Bot Pro. During this 1 week profit $37 US and 48 cents. You can also see here the profit growth. An average of $10 per day. On February 26th it wasn't too optimal because it started at the end of the day. Advanced statistics. Total trades 67 transactions with a profit ratio of 78%. The resulting profit factor is 2.53. Of course these results will still change over time. It takes at least 1 month of observation or even more to get more valid results. If you are interested, you can take the time to observe this Expert Advisor. Trading history. The lots that are opened average 0.01 lots and there are several 0.02 lots and 0.03 lots with an average profit of $1. In February only a few days of trading running get a profit of 1.6%. And at the beginning of March this profit was read around 2.11%. 5. Download free EA MT4. To get this expert advisor, you can visit the website that I have created at tradea.com. Okay, that's the video about expert advisor reviews Grizzly Pro bots. I suggest that you try it first on a demo account for at least a month or even more, so you will know how this expert advisor works. I hope one day you can be financially successful. Thanks for watching till the end. Support this channel by clicking like and share. Thank you.